thingy going on. Let's just check picture in picture. No, full screen. I want to kind of see the prices over here. So let us set that up properly. Just give me 1 sec. I'll be right back at 10 a.m. ET, so in 10 minutes. Yeah. I'm just gonna set up a random video. Something here until I go to the bathroom.
Yo, welcome everyone. Bitcoin is now getting a bounce almost exactly from our major golden pocket support, and it seems like the entire pushdown was all a big trap. Let me show you why. Now, first we can definitely see that Bitcoin actually hit our daily high term time frame area of support in a combination with the golden pocket at approximately 85,000 US dollars, almost to the exact dollar accuracy. And as we said yesterday, if we do hit our very important level, personally, I'm definitely interested to add some capital to my long trade on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and also Solana, but most importantly, the trading bots. Bitcoin and Ethereum trading bot were also buying the dip. So right now, of course, if we are going to be able to get some kind of a bounce back towards the upside, all of my trades probably are going to be in a very nice profit. However, we really need to go step by step, because right now Bitcoin, yes, we hit the support level right here. However, we would still like to get another sign of strength, which is going to be for Bitcoin to reclaim another very important area of resistance. And more about...
So yeah, Bitcoin, how's it been doing? Let's talk about Bitcoin price analysis. Basically, 86,000 I think is the support level, right? 86,000 is a big indicator here, and we're traveling between these ranges. 86,000 and 105,000.
Some very significant levels are going to be higher. Right now, if Bitcoin does actually continue its way massively towards the upside, if the bottom is right now...
I mean, it also needs to be up 105K. So that's what Bitcoin Hyper is saying here. This is the important factor. It's hard. It's hard for Bitcoin to stay above 100K. But if it doesn't, we're going to enter a huge bear market. And look at how, if I held my trades properly, I would still be super up. But I'm already up 11% because I trust myself. I opened a trade on 2bit. If you guys want to get started, you know, went up to 2,500 XRP. Links below. But yeah, look at this trade. Up 11%. Obviously trying to go push up, you know, at least where Bitcoin is trying to push up to 90,000, whatever it is, 93,000. So that's a factor.
Actually, and this is right why I would really appreciate for you to smash up the like button, because 1,000 likes are really possible. And of course, also thank you for subscribing to the channel. Now let's talk about at what area is Bitcoin trading at the moment, and of course also what is going to be the next important level we should right now really break towards the upside for us to get some kind of a sign of strength. What we are right now going to do, let's go with our fixed range volume profile, measuring the entire
push up higher. So 87,000 is basically for these whales, I'm guessing, like a discount. So that's a very important factor a lot of people are not talking about.
The value area low. But here we have a problem. The value area low is not really a major area of support for Bitcoin. So this is right now why, if we do get a push down, losing our golden Fibonacci ratio, losing our daily level, it is simply going to mean the probability is going to increase that Bitcoin is going to drop even lower towards them.
That's what a lot of whales are selling. If we cannot push up to 100,000 like a new resistance level, it's basically going to be a free fall. It's going to be an open market. Look at this, how much it's falling right now, right? I'm $2 up, I'm 10% up, but I'm still holding the trade because I believe it will go up. But again, I would rather close the trade here at 10% profit. I'm completely fine with that. 10% is golden, but if you trust that it can reclaim back to 2.11 just like Bitcoin, then you have nothing to be afraid of. This is the important factor. You know, it can still go massively overperform.
Because of that, because ideally I would like to see higher targets, I'm right now actually holding some very nice long trades on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and also Solana. But most importantly, the trading bots are actually buying the dip. Even
that's the result I gotta show you with my own trading bot. Is I opened one on the longs, and it actually performed pretty well. I'm not the best trader, but that's the smart thing about it, is like if you do a future grid, trading bot, Square, whatever it is, you can see that my trading bot is massively up for this exact reason. I told him I want XRP prices to go up. And look at that. I opened a trade. I'm up $7 today, guys. As I told you, up $7. I didn't close that trade. I closed a small trade, very small one, $2, and I made some profit. Of course, I still have 2 trades open, both longs for XRP. And this is the nice part about it, is I'm up 20%.
Even if right now Bitcoin is going to go lower right here, maybe even towards 79,000 US dollar area, the bots are going to be buying Bitcoin until 65,000 US dollars and Ethereum until 2,000 US dollars.
So yeah, that's going to be some time, and you can close the positions. This is what I like to see. He's already in profit, $1,500. So yeah, he put 15K here, 15K here, and he's both profitable on here.
10,000, you get 3,000 US dollar bonus, but then...
So yeah. This is an awesome thing. That's the same thing I'm doing with XRP, but on 2bit. This is why I love trading bots, because they do the stuff for you, and they tell us the prices. Like, Bitcoin needs to hit those levels. That's what I might do. I might open a Bitcoin. I could have just opened a Bitcoin trading bot here. Because if you think that, 87, what's the price of Bitcoin right now? 88. So it's risky right now, but I do think Bitcoin is gonna, compared to his price analysis, push up to 90,000. Then obviously this trading bot will keep buying. It's gonna keep buying and buying and buying until we're suddenly like at a very good position. So let's check that.
Is going to be broken towards the upside. If we are able to do so, definitely a sign of strength on Bitcoin. Let's look for our next higher target, which is then going to be...
It definitely shows like it's trying to break out, which is good if you're having like logs right now like me, 20% up.
Value area high. But of course, because of that, because ideally I would like to see higher targets, I'm right now actually holding some very nice long trades on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and also Solana. But most importantly, the trading bots are actually buying very low.
So yeah, this is the thing. But even if the fear and greed index is low, you're going to have to form a bottom at some point. You're going to have to form a top at some point.
Then still going to look for another buy trade, slightly lower at our lower areas of support, but make sure you do have proper risk management, proper stop loss, proper position size.
That's the most important. Don't be like me, 20% total profit and loss. Again, links in the description below if you guys want to join in on the XRP trading event and just in general. Or a trading event if use 2bit, links below, guys. And thank you so much. I really appreciate it, because you can get up to 2,500 and a free bonus if you guys did not know. So let us wait for this update over here. Yeah, so this should be the big thing that we're waiting for, the big event. Check the prices. Would be nice to see. 10 a.m. ET. 10 a.m. ET to CT. ET time right now. All right, so it's going to be in about 2 minutes, and the prices are absolutely going parabolic. Even my position, which is going to close down again, guys. XRP is going up for one simple reason. I told you guys, the 30 viewers to my channel, I told you the prices are going to be bottoming at 1.87. And if you believe the markets, you believe the markets. So this is the important factor here, is that I'm up on this position. I opened this position over here. I closed the other one. I closed the other one at what? 1.87. So I'm not afraid to show you the profits and losses. So you can see the closed past positions over here is literally, if I kept it a little longer, which was what? I had a 22% profit. I closed it at 2.5. It's now 2.8. So I would have another 40 cents. It's fine. It's a small position, but it tells you a pretty clear idea of what's happening right now. That XRP is trying to push for another high. If you even go to my trading bot, my little like miner, And again, guys, if you want to use 2-bit, link in the description below for a free 2000 XRP competition. So again, trading volume 40 million for 2,500 XRP, and you also get free trial funds or trading bonuses. You can see here there's a lot of stuff we can learn from. Trading bot Square is an absolutely incredible factor. Let's see here what's going on. We're gonna push out and we're gonna check what our trading bot is doing. So go to futures here, futures grid, right? So we want to check what the prices are like, 2.9, and the thing has started. People are waiting in the area, which is absolutely cool. They're waiting for the SEC chair meeting. Well, XRP bots absolutely gave me 20% today. So it's incredible. It's absolutely incredible how this bot has made me gains because I told him I want a long XRP. So that's something that's cool. That's something I want to show off, to my family and everything. So this is an absolutely incredible bull run because, yeah, XRP is pushing it out. It's not going to stay at 1.87, and that's their resistance level. So I'm really excited for that part. So let's see here where we go on. Just going to keep that. I'm going to be back later. Guys, actually, I'm gonna do some stuff here. I'm gonna check my trades. I'm gonna be streaming in about 2-3 minutes. It's just crypto markets, XRP markets having going crazy. So let's talk about one more thing, and that is trading bots. Trading bots are absolutely amazing, but the issue is they will not work if you're shorted. So I was really fortunate to make this trading bot right now with 22% upturn. And it just keeps buying on, right? The minimum amount to start this trading bot on 2bit, links in the description below, are actually, yeah, they're very cheap. It's $40, I think, $50 to start a trading bot, minimum amount. You can even borrow something from, to start along. So this is what I did. Look, I started a trading bot leverage, which basically means my trading bot over here has initial investment of $38. And I set a stop loss at $1.5. So the most important factor here is if I am borrowing $38, so 38, what did I borrow? I borrowed 38 of initial investment. So the 38 of initial investment x 300 x 14, delete everything. 38, just delete everything. 38x 14 means my bot is worth about $500 and has made me about $7 so far. But then you have grid profit, which means that it sold 1.27. But then you have also unpaired profit and loss, which means the bot has literally sold $1.27 so far and just gave me $1.7. But it also has, if I were to take this money out, I would still have $7 with this XRP trading bot. So this is something to consider here. The trading bots, what they do is they make the trades for you. And I feel like this is something exchanges will do, because what the exchanges' number one plan is to increase volume. And here's why. I will explain why this is so important. We already hit 2.11. I said this is going to be the top point, but it seems like XRP is spiking up more than I imagined. So my trade has went to 211. Great news. I could close the position over here. So that's absolutely amazing news. I did long the XRP today. So we are in profit from our $50 challenge. We are up $10 now, so we're at $60. Might not seem like a lot, but it's good to see that. Look, it's breaking even the patterns I told you guys. So yeah, what the trading bots are doing, and what I think the future of exchanges is gonna be, is these exchanges will actually try to make trades for you or recommend you trades to do. Why is that? It's because AI has gotten so powerful and exchanges have started to focus on algorithmic trades. So the thing is, once they started to focus on algorithmic trades, right? As you can see over here, people don't know how to trade. 95% of traders lose money. So if they literally suggest people to do these trades like 70%, this is the one thing they can do, is they can just tell you what trades to take. So guys, if you want to get joined and want free funds, you can use the link in the description below, and I'll keep you guys updated on more on that. Seems like it's going absolutely wild on my position. I'm 17% up here, and I'm 26% up on this trade, which is amazing, amazing news. Seems like we are rallying with this trading bot today. So it's a perfect start. This is what I like to see. I'm not shorting it. I said it was the bottom. It's even going further than I expected. I didn't expect it to be 2.14 today. So it's very nice to see the markets, how you go. But if I really expected it to like close out at 2.08. So yeah, the total profit and loss today is actually $10, which is pretty good. This is why I love trading bots, and they trade for you, which is the exciting part. I'll keep you guys updated with more news on that and what exactly it means. But I want to say it very clearly. I am streaming on Twitch. I'm streaming on Kick daily. But the important factor here is we're just seeing a more and more uptrend for XRP. And yeah, so the point of this video was basically to show you that sometimes it's important for XRP to realize that the big whales, they want to try to find a bottom, and then they want to make a top, and they want to sell that. This is the way of the game. Everybody's thinking about money in crypto. And this is the fun part in crypto, is sometimes you could have, like, you know, good trades like that. Now, what am I going to do with this money? I'm going to reinvest it. And again, this is not guaranteed profits. Sometimes YouTube think, okay, this is going to be guaranteed profit. Absolutely not. This is super risky, what I'm doing. So just so you guys are aware, this could absolutely, I could be $10 down today because of crypto. You never know. But it is a nice way to go forward and go ahead and try to find new ways in life on how to have, you know, fun or trades. So I will keep you guys updated on more